Here at Carris Wheels, we're a supplier of specialty packaging for the wiring cable, rope, cord, and any other products or items that are flexible and need to be wound on a linear spool. We're located in 6 different states. We have about 450 employees across these various plants.
Our Rutland group is made up of about 130 people. We manufacture spools here in the Rutland facility, plastic, plywood reels, tin. We've been in Rutland since for about 63 years.
So the energy efficiency projects that we've undertaken have been principally around lighting as well as compressed air. For the lighting projects, we went through and changed all from T12 to T8 type lighting systems, which has significantly improved the efficiencies, as well as brought a lot more light into the buildings to make it a more friendly and welcome environment to work in. With the compressed air project, we had 2 compressors that were here in the Rutland mill. One that was a 75 horsepower and the other one was a 50 horsepower. And we were able to take those and actually downsize them considerably to a 60 and a 40, essentially reducing the amount of power by about 33% that's used to operate this mill.
When you stop and think about it, bigger is not always better anymore, and the audit really spelled that out. And Efficiency Vermont really helped us prove that.
The result was saving them some 400,000 kilowatt hours of energy and about $50,000 a year in savings. The net effect of all of this over time, our work with Carris Reels goes back some 12 years, back to 2000. We've been able to save over 1 million kilowatt hours, reducing their electric consumption by 20%.
If we looked at it just on our own, we probably would have deferred from taking on this project, but with these incentives, it put us over the edge and said, yeah, we need to do these now, and we're really glad we did.
The Efficiency Vermont is a great partner in the sense of it's a communication between the 2 groups, and it's not, well, you need to do this, you have to do this. This is what we've found or seen. It's an easy sell or an easy decision based on the data that we've formulated.
Corporate management is really the entire company because we're 100% employee owned. What it means for us is when we have these savings, it really goes right to our bottom line, so the savings are shared equally.
Carris Reels, as an industrial user of energy in the state of Vermont, and actually for the country as a whole, is a really important case study. Clearly, industrial energy users are really important to the future of energy use and energy efficiency in this country. The President's made it a stated policy that he wants to significantly ramp up industrial energy efficiency by 2020.
Carris has used the success here in their Vermont locations and taken that to their other locations outside of the state of Vermont. And to us, that's the ultimate sign of success, is when they're, again, willing to share what they've been able to do.
So we see businesses like this. They demonstrate there's great economy of scale, better bang for the buck, when you can get into the industrial facilities and make those more energy efficient. So they have a major role to play in our energy future in this country, and having businesses like Carris Reels be able to exhibit this in this way, highly valuable.